We're going to take a few minutes now to explore iRubric. If you would type in www.rcampus.com, and since you have created an account, type in your username. Usually once you start typing it in, it will pull up, then your password, and log in. It will come up to the page where it says, number one, that you're logged in, and then if you go down to the Our Campus Solutions, it has Learning and Course Management, e-portfolios, rubrics, student, faculty, group websites, tutor connection, and book exchange. There are many things that you can do on the Our Campus site. We're going to go into rubrics. If you go to iRubric Home and look down the left-hand navigation toolbar, you will notice that there is a public gallery, how-to videos, features and benefits, and then your personal tools, My Rubrics, Build a Rubric, My Bookmarks, Search, Assessments, and then your classes and your coursework. We're going to start with the public gallery. And if you look down through the public gallery, it shows rubrics by grade level. And if you look, I teach middle school, so if I'm looking at middle school, out beside it in parentheses, it has 23,487 usable rubrics for middle school, which is a lot. And then if you look down here, rubrics by subject, it shows the different subject areas, and it tells how many rubrics are there for each of those subject areas. And then if you're looking for types of rubrics, assessment, assignment, attendance, class notes, e-portfolios, exams, and it gives the count of how many rubrics are there for those. One of the great features of iRubric are their how-to videos. In their how-to videos, they give explanations on building a simple rubric, adding rows and columns to your rubrics that you have or that you are creating, rearranging a rubric. Once you have set it, then it shows you how to rearrange the different criteria, the weights, the subjects, whatever you need to move around, it will show you how to move it around and rearrange it. Then it has working with criteria weights. In other words, how is each section weighted compared to the total assignment. And then the analyzing rubric statistics. In iRubric, one of the features is you can actually insert all of your classes into iRubric. Once all of your classes are inserted and you get ready to start grading the rubrics, you can pull each student's rubric up and fill it out. And once it's filled out and you click complete, then those statistics from that rubric go into the statistical part for you to analyze. So you keep all of your information on iRubric, which is great. Features and benefits. If you look at the different features and benefits, it shows you how to build rubrics, gradebook integration so that the grades that you give in iRubric can be transferred to your gradebook at your school. The click to grade technology is that it's just more or less point click and it grades it, it stores it, and it's ready to go. Managing your rubrics, sharing your rubrics. One of the other things that I really like is the collaborative assessment, is you can actually work with other teachers and collaborating on rubrics and coming up with rubrics that are good for your classroom and for theirs, especially if you're doing a collaborative class where it's interdisciplinary, so that you're working with another teacher and you're both working on a rubric to grade the total project, and it really works great for that. And then you can go on down through here and read the different things. In my rubrics, you can come down through here and you can filter by subject areas, by type, by grade levels. You can go to certain rubrics. I have a couple of rubrics in here. One of my rubrics is on the science fair projects, and this was built to help grade the science fair project. And if you go down through here, you can see in the left hand column that all of my categories are listed, and then each of the criteria for each category is listed as well. If you want to do more with this rubric, you can preview the rubric, you can edit the rubric, you can copy it and begin editing the copy. That way you don't disturb the original. You can print, you can categorize it into whatever categories you think it fits in. You can bookmark it, you can do a test run, you can grade using the rubric, you can collaborate with other people, you can publish it, you can email it, and you can discuss it. So there's many things in iRubric that is absolutely beneficial to your classroom. And these are just a few of the things that you can do in iRubric. Look forward to talking to you in the next segment.